Razzie here, back with another video. What's up? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. As always, we're back from Monterey. Took a small break and we're back. No other great way to start a vlog than to hit based. We're here with the group. Got Ro, got a C5. Got my junk right here. Just kidding. I don't know if he's with us. I don't know if this Mustang's with us. Looks fast though. It's on a big tire. Got another C6 right here, homie Edgar. Those are the wheels I was gonna get if I didn't go wide body. Look at this fool. Wearing a Frankenstein shirt. Look at this shit. We got the group rolling deep. This shit's crazy, bro. Crazy. Twin turbo. It's crazy. I don't know.
I think that's everyone, huh?
Fucking IRAM.
I just realized it's the same location where I got a ticket.
Yeah, it is.
I told to pay that shit. Take it off this week, my ticket.
You didn't take it off?
Yeah, get it back off, my ticket back on.
Bro, how does this fool see out of this, bro? Look at that. I'm asking if I can sit in right now, see if I can get like a POV. This is ridiculous. God damn! God damn, that's just loud as fuck. Well, we're gonna get fucking kicked out. Nah, yeah, we should go over there. Well, we're gonna get kicked out. Ooh, put that shit all. Put it inside. Put it inside. Put that bitch in here.
Hey, you put it on the turbo too, you want?
Oh, yeah.
Go faster. My fucking pants are fucking at the beat.
You got the forces? Nah. Oh, this was a YN. Striker boy right here.
That band, who needs a pin? It's auto tragic.
About to head out. About to get in the whip. Damn, what the hell happened here? Got this fool, that fool, this fool, the other C6, and then that fool. Let's go. Oh, this is crazy. Sheesh. This is crazy. This thing sounds crazy. Alright, I threw my Insta360 on the twin turbo C6. Hopefully that shit doesn't fly off. He said his last one flew off, so I don't know. I'm gonna get his POV now. guys saw from that last clip on the Insta360, we rolled up. We got Riley in his new twin turbo R8 right there. Got the Corvettes. Unfortunately, the other ones didn't make it in. Look at this. Oral farming right here to the max. Crazy. Bro, look at this GT3.
Right behind the porch.
Oh. Blue wheels, blue accents, white side. And this SF90. Great SF90. It's gonna be kind of hard to record here because they have hella music playing. Some of you guys maybe know, but same spot as a 7-Eleven. That one 7-Eleven vlog. Look at this crazy ass R34 that pulled up. Holy. Okay, let's see this. Holy. That thing is bad. Yellow R34. Black wheels. Look, these ones are about an oral farm right here. What is the ice for? What is the ice for?
That's for the pea water, bro.
The pea water. Fast guy shit right here. I've been standing right here with these foods for a while, and I realized that I haven't been recording, so I'm gonna go walk around and see some cars. Hellcat on a fat tire. I feel like we've seen that one plenty of times. Let's see what else I got. M3. Clean color. That's paint, huh? It's paint? Hella carbon. Shit's badass. Look at this McLaren. Bright ass green. Shit's badass. Clean. Got another one over here. One day I'll be here with a supercar. What do you guys think of this Rolls Royce? Perfect paint. I like how the door on these open this way. Oh, wait. No, they open. Fuck, low-key, I don't remember. It doesn't open like a normal door. So if this doesn't come out, this comes out. It's weird. Got the Spirit of Ecstasy in the front. Blue. I like that blue. This shit's badass.
Why doesn't it work? I'm not going in. Hey, just shove it in.
Hey, what?
Yeah, only 4. It only has 1 speed.
Hey, everyone's waiting, fool.
Why are you blue balling?
Look,
Why are you getting on blue ball?
you're blue balling everyone. Drivers meeting. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna go to the drive. I think we're gonna go from here in OC to Riverside, the IE. Don't know if we're not Riverside, Corona. My fault. I'm dumb. Damn. Oh, this is loud. We're leaving. Gonna head out. We left the freaking gas station and the address is a mansion. It's a friendly neighborhood, guys. Friendly neighborhood, and there's already hella cops. They're shutting this down. This is like some Project X shit right here. This is crazy. He's just gonna hide or what? Are they gonna wait for everyone to come out and then ticket everyone who comes out? It's crazy. What the fuck? Scary ass. Guess we go through a gate, private community. There's cops right here just chilling. Don't know what he's gonna do, don't know his plans. Oh my god, there's another cop right there behind my girl. Oh my god, there's another cop. And there's like 2, 3 more up there. Holy. Letting her drive. Look at that. I'm gonna go run up there, see what's up. Oh, I can't believe the cops followed us all the way up here. This is gated, by the way. This is crazy. Let's see. I hear Cam's vet up there. I think it's the homie. Trying to get us a spot in there, but I guess not anymore. Let's see. Yeah, it's him. Oh shit, they're on foot. The cops are on foot. Yo. Oh, they're taking pictures. They're taking pictures of the cars that are parked in red and shit. The DC3 is leaving. That's crazy. We're supposed to be here for a photo shoot, video shoot, whatever. I don't remember. But damn. We weren't lucky enough to make it over here. This is whack. Dark Horse? This is crazy.
I saw this. I didn't even know there was a meet. I saw this shit. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna pull up.
Behind the car.
Look at this huge ass house. Oh. Sheesh. 2 Huracans. Rolls Royce. I just walked up a huge ass fucking mountain. Aired out. C7 Z06. I love those wheels. Might do a street tire next. Not really rocking with the mismatch on mine, but we'll see. My mind always changes. C7, C6, another C7, C5, and I think that's the Mustang that was with us, and the C5 TRX. Little R8. All right, this quickly turned into a shit show. We didn't get to go to the house where I showed. I was walking that whole time. We got helicopters blocking and threatening us. Yeah, and then there's a tow truck here now. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully we don't get pulled over on the way out. Hopefully he doesn't get pulled over. I'd feel really bad if he got pulled over. I don't know, man. We're just gonna have to see what happens now. Alright, you guys, we're out of there. Fuck that. More cops showed up, and then we saw another tow truck pull up. The owner of the house said, hold on, let me down shit. The owner of the house said that it's not legal that they can go in there and tow your shit because it's private property. I don't know if I have any lawyers that watch my shit. Comment down if it is legal. Can they go in there, stop you, and pull you over? Yeah, I think we saw 3 tow trucks.
I think so.
3 tow trucks, bunch of cops. We're out. Fuck that. We're gonna go home. Call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.